I would like to formally introduce you to the most voracious predator on the planet. And as much as I understand why you think so, it's not him. It's the dragonfly. Now before you go throwing a temper tantrum in the comments section, let me explain myself. Yes, obviously if you're a human, dragonflies aren't the most dangerous thing to you. It could be a shark. It could also be a bear, a lion, you name it. However, if we're talking about percentages, in the act of catching prey, dragonflies are actually 4 times more likely to successfully catch anything that they go after than any other animal on the planet. Now besides being able to successfully catch 95% of everything that the dragonfly spots, this nasty little bastard can also practically predict the future. Besides having ginormously uncomfortable looking eyes that it uses to track its prey at extremely long distances, it also has the intelligence to predict its prey every single move. That means before its prey item decides to run away, it knows which way it's going to go and where it's going to need to go to catch it. Oh, and did I mention that they can fly up to 60 miles per fucking hour? If dragonflies were about the same size as your average human, every animal smaller than a large cat would be on the menu. And we would be absolutely screwed. Oh, and their flight pattern makes them even more terrifying. Because they might just be the most incredible flyers on planet Earth. No, that's not just squiggly lines. Those are 1,000 different pictures of a bird flying. Now, if you see everywhere that the bird turned, it has to take these ginormous loops in order to correct its flight pattern. Practically spinning on the way that birds fly, dragonflies can fly in any direction, and they also have the ability of vertical takeoff. That means at a standstill point and being able to totally stand still in the middle of the air, they can jump up, down, left, right, wherever the fuck they want to go without thinking about it. And since most insects have the same flight pattern as birds, well, if you're an insect and you're getting chased by a dragonfly, you're fucked. Oh, and when it comes to sex, dragonflies make your sex life look boring. Talk about romantic, they practically make a heart while fucking. Now post-sexy time, the dragonfly will actually lay its eggs underwater, which then hatch into these water-breathing demons, and yes, they can also eat fish and tadpoles and frogs and you name it. And then its life cycle basically just fucking repeats again. It terrorizes the water, it gets up on land, it terrorizes the land, it has pretty little sex, and then it terrorizes the water again. Oh, and by the way, dragonfly are sperm stealers. Female dragonfly practically store dragonfly sperm so that they can use it whenever they want. However, if another male dragonfly wants to use that female to have his babies, he does something kind of nasty. He uses this spoon-like structure on his tail to go inside the female, scoop out the remaining semen from the other male dragonfly, and then he impregnates her. And this is exactly why you don't see any dragonfly on the Jerry Springer show trying to figure out whose kids are whose. Dragonfly are a lot cooler than you. I rest my case. Peace.